In this video I'm going to show you how to pin and unpin text messages on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And once you open up your Messages application, here you can see how it looks like. There are two conversations that I pinned, and now I have fast access to all that conversation. I can just tap here and get into that conversation with that specific person. So what to do to pin conversation to the very top? First, select some conversation you need to pin, let it be that one, and then tap and hold on that conversation to bring up that small menu, and here select pin, and now that conversation is pinned at the very top. And now if I want to unpin that conversation, I just tap and hold here at the top on the conversation name, and then here in that menu select unpin, and now that conversation was successfully unpinned. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.